So as you can see, there's a foam insert here on the top to protect the printer. You have the manual, easy to understand. So you have the, a real idea of how this comes packaged. Very well protected. They even send you these little clips to hold your mat in place. And that's okay. So here's the printer. You can see the little nozzle right there. 0.4 nozzle. Little cooling fan. And the mat itself has a textured feel to it. I'll show that a little bit better in a minute. Let's just put it to the side for a second. These are one of the wheels that you have to control to level the mat, to level the table. Then we have the power. This is the power unit, power supply. As you can see here the specs, 24 volt. (15 amps). You can see the connector here, up close. Then you have these tools, all of these tools to put your Ender 3 together. You have this as well. This, I believe, is for the PLA roller. You have the cable. Mine is a European cable because I live in Europe, in Portugal. More parts right here. Another motor here, and I think that's it. Yeah, got everything. Now here you can see these are made to level out the bed. Use these little knobs to level the bed. Right here on the front you can see where you would insert your SIM card to put in your data. I'll try and show you the bottom part of this, what it looks like. So you can see the bottom part right here. Yeah, so this is my first 3D printer. Here you can see the controller panel. I'll actually pull it out so you can see a little bit better. So the controller panel comes with no protection here on the back. The Ender 3 Pro does have a protection here on the back. This one doesn't. This is a clickable knob. Pretty cool. I have ordered a glass bed for this. Hopefully that will work out better than this one, and especially for certain materials like a TPU. I don't know if I'm going to be able to print TPU with this efficiently. The Ender 3 Pro has these little bars right here. They're all more reinforced, so there's less wobble and you have more precision. Final printing results, you won't notice much of a difference between this one and the other one. But that's just what I've heard, not personal experience. I'm just telling you guys what I've seen in most of the videos. The power supply unit on the Ender 3 Pro is much thinner. They say it's also quieter, more efficient than this one. This one's a little bit bulkier, but I'm okay with that. We'll just have to check out sound noise, the noise level of this when it's printing. If you're interested in getting this one for yourselves, I have the links in the description. I'll put the best possible price I can find. And yeah, guys, this is it, basically it. Let's put this together and I'll show you that in another video. In case you're curious, don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch that video. And check out some more of my videos that I have online already. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.